Happy birthday, Bebo!
We're already home. Say hello. We're already home. We're already home. All the lightning and fire in your blood. All the chances you took just because. Every road led you a little bit closer to dreams you've been dreaming of.
Happy birthday, Sia!
We're already home. Say hello. We're already home. We're already
We are going to Happy birthday, Sia! Happy fourth birthday! Stay jolly! Basahin mo lagi lang ng Lord Lola mo. We love you, Sia! Happy birthday!
You've been wishing on.
Welcome to Sia's 4th birthday!
Yung pakiramdam nung dumating si Sia, hindi ko ma-explain pero sobrang saya. Especially nung first time ko siyang makita dun sa hospital. Hindi ako makapagkitay na mayakap sa, na malaro sa, and then mabuhat. Yes.
Do it loud. Do it loud. Do it loud.
Nakakagulat. Nung nung pinagbubuntis ko si Sia, nung nalaman kong buntis ako kay Sia, gulat syempre. Tapos, sobrang happy na nandiyan na siya.
Do it loud. Do it loud.
Pero ano, yung promise ko kay Sia, hindi to ako lagi para sa kanya. And yun, full support ako kahit anong gusto niya.
Happy birthday, Sia! Happy birthday, Sia!
I used to try to rock with the cool kids. I used to copycat with the best. But now I figured out what the truth is. And now I'm living some kind of blessed. When you do it, do it loud. Yeah. When you say it, make it count. Don't just stand.
Wish ko kay Sia, lumaki lang siya, may tapat sa Diyos. Tsaka maging masipag sa pag-aaral. Tsaka maging mabait na bata.
There ain't no ceiling when I'm feeling this way. Turn it up every day. We get together, making everyone say, turn it up. When you say it, make it count. Don't just stand there. Come on, dance it out. When you do it, do it, do it. Come on, do it loud. Do it loud.
To each and everyone and welcome to first birthday celebration of Sia. Let's give you a round of applause.
Do it loud.